Ife, use Yoruba to introduce yourself.
Okay. Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ènìyàn. Orúkọ mi ni Ifeoluwakitan. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ Kẹ́mìtì. Why are you staring at me like that?
Ó tún ti sọ Yorùbá, ó tún sọ English.
Oh.
Tún bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Okay. Orúkọ mi ni Ifeoluwakitan. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ Kẹ́mìtì. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ parí secondary school mi ni.
Secondary school ńkọ́? Is
Mo
English.
ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́
Start
parí.
start again.
Orúkọ mi ni Ifeoluwakitan Adegbele. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ Kẹ́mìtì. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ parí ilé-ìwé mi ni.
Ní ilé-ìwé wo?
Ilé-ìwé kò ń ṣe ilé-ìwé gíga.
Ó ṣàmọ́ níwèé gíga.
Kò dẹ̀ mọ secondary school. Kò ń ṣe ilé-ìwé gíga.
Mo ń yára yá tí mo fẹ́ ṣe wáyẹ̀kì mi.
Ta ló lọ fún ìjọba síbí?
Mi ò ń ṣe ọmọ síbí, ọmọ Kẹ́mìtì ni mí. No offense, this high court is meant for our Siri's daughter, Kẹ́mìtì's daughter.
You are speaking English now.
Okay, ẹ má bínú. Mo dẹ̀ ní new PhD, new PhD orúkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́.
Ló jẹ́ PH, ló jẹ́ ní.
New is English. P is English.
What's the name?
Bájà mi kọ́ lọ́kẹ́lẹ́.
Oh, right.
Mo dẹ̀ ní new PhD orúkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́.
Ní PhD nǹkan. Ṣé bó proud ó sì pé you cannot speak Yoruba very well.
I know correction. You see what I got in my test, my Yoruba test.
In my Yoruba test, I got 15/20. Can you imagine that?
So how come you cannot speak Yoruba now?
Like, I know how to speak, but I don't know how to say some words. Like, for example, like meal. What's meal?
Tuntun.
Okay, I forgot. What's PA?
Olùrànlọ́wọ́. Àbí olùrànlọ́wọ́.
Olùrànlọ́wọ́. Was.
Amúgbálẹ́gbẹ̀.
If you want to abuse some power, stuff.
If
you want to abuse some power, don't use it.
Let me come and say it. Wọ́n ló máa sọ pé kan tí mo fẹ́ fi bú wọn rè é.
Tí bá fẹ́ bú wọn pé.
Ó ti kọ́ fún ẹ̀. Ìyẹn gẹ́gẹ́ ló pa mí lẹ́rìn jù.
Tí mo bá fẹ́ bú òkú tó ń jókòó síbẹ̀, when it not tell me the meaning of one word I wanted to ask you. Emoji dúdú.
Lọ́rọ̀ mi ò ní ṣe bú pé ó ní jẹ ìyà fẹ́.
That's all for today, guys.
Like I don't understand.
Kí lẹ sọ tó
Èmi ò lè ṣé àwọn ará YouTube àbí Facebook la máa sọ pé kí lẹ kọ́ wa báyìí. Kí ló kọ́ wọn àwọn tó fẹ́ kọ́ ní Yorùbá? Kí ló kọ́ wọn? Kí ló kọ́ wọn?
Okay. Serious now. You want me to speak Yoruba? Wait, calm down. You want me to speak Yoruba? And I said I know how to speak Yoruba. That does not mean I know how to say some words in Yoruba. Like example, I forgot how to know the meaning of name. And how is somebody supposed to know the meaning of PA?
That means I'll keep my name. Thank you.
Sorry.
No.
We'll just wait. Yeah, let's be serious now. Sorry, let's be serious now. Which Yoruba do you want me to say? Don't be
I will say that
wow.
you say it after me. All about that, okay. Àìgbọ́fálà ń wòkè, Ifá kan ò sí ń para.
So guys, Ifeoluwa have something to say. Let's go. So Ola will be speaking English and she'll be speaking Yoruba. Oh yeah, let's go. Sumobi.
Of the first thing.
Loya.
In the beginning.
Ní àkọ́kọ́.
In the beginning. Ní àkọ́kọ́. Mo ṣe ní àkọ́kọ́.
Má kọ. Ó ti ṣìyẹn nìyẹn.
God created heaven and earth.
Ọlọ́run dá ọ̀run àtayé.
The earth was without form, actually. The earth was without form.
Ayé kò ní. I said they know how to speak Yoruba. I don't say I know how to say some words now. You say.
You said you know how to speak
You are
Yoruba.
even the one that come and meet me. Hold on.
You were boasting.
You are yes now. You said, "Mommy, I cannot speak Yoruba very well."
I cannot speak Yoruba, but I don't know how to say some words.
You are still speaking English now.
Okay.
Okay. What is going on in our surroundings?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àgbo wa?
Agbo abalisi abe. Ṣàgbo jẹ̀dí. Ṣàgbo jẹ̀dí.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní
Ṣàgbo jẹ̀dí.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ara wa?
Arabo. Arawo.
This world is turning upside down.
Ayé yìí ó ń ṣe bákọ̀bákọ̀.
Bákọ̀bákọ̀ kọ́. Lébèrèbè ni. Oh yeah.
And there is a proverb that says,
Òwe kan sọ pé
give and it shall be given unto you.
fún kó lè fún ẹ.
Kó lè fún ta ni. Kó lè fún ta ni like. Ta ló fẹ́ fún ní nǹkan. Oh yeah.
There's another one in the Bible that says,
Ìmí wà nínú Bíbélì tó sọ pé
blessed is the end that giveth. Oh, my God. I have to say number.
Oh yeah. Say it in Yoruba.
Others.
Say it in Yoruba.
Blessed is the hand that giveth.
Ṣé bó ló sọ pé o ti gbọ́ Yorùbá báyìí?
Blessed. Kí ni blessed?
Ṣé bí ìwọ ló gbọ́ Yorùbá náà wọ́n ló máa sọ?
Blessed.
Make hay when the sun shines.
Oh yeah.
Make hay while the sun shines.
Ṣé
Kí oòrùn tàn.
ṣe kórùn tán.
Okay. Mommy, tomorrow I'm planning to go to school.
Oh yeah.
Ìyá mi, mò ń
Onjú. Nígbà tó lè ń sọwọ́ báyìí.
ọ̀pá rẹ̀ sọ́ọ̀sì pé
Mo máa sọ fún o.
mò ń
Mo ń ṣe kọ́, ṣèyí ṣe ń bà ní.
Mommy, everything in our school has taken a new turn.
Mama.
Mama àgbà o.
Mommy, gbogbo nǹkan tí ó wà ní ilé ìwé wa ti tó ó ti
Ìfẹ́ ò dẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run.
Ara ẹbí Yorùbá.
Ṣé Yorùbá wa tó dùn lòun
ó ti ṣe new.
ó ti ṣe new what? Like I don't get.
Gbogbo nǹkan tí gbogbo nǹkan tí ó wà ní ilé ìwé wa
Ó ti jó. Ó ti sá lọ.
I still whoop your ass.
Ó ti ṣe.
Ó ti ṣe àṣewọ́ báyìí.
Yeah.
Ó ti ṣe ọwọ́
I
báyìí.
can't wait to finish my secondary school and see what the future has for me.
Mo lè dúró kí n parí iléèwé mi kí mo lè mọ nǹkan tí ayé ní fún mi.
Ayé ní fún ẹ báwo. Ayé tó tó àkàmọ́ra bí òun. Ṣé blọọkù wà nínú? Ìfẹ́. Yorùbá. Use Yoruba to introduce yourself.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo èèyàn, orúkọ mi ni Ifeoluwakitan Adigbele. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ Kẹ̀mítì.